Howdy guys, today I will be show you how to install Java and set bash profile inside bash profile Java home. So why do we need Java? For writing a mobile testing with Selenium and Appium, you need a Java language. So our language will be, other language should support it also, but our language will need Java. So we need to download the JDK and we need to set Java home. So now guys, this is code will be available after a few videos. Code will be available here at the github .com future IT vision. Also you can subscribe my video in YouTube with the future IT vision. Feel free to comment if you have any question, and if you like it, just press the like button and subscribe it. And if you have any question, I always recommend that you add the comment and I will be answer as soon as possible. Now we will be follow the document how we install Java step by step. So now I have a document here I created before, which is the how to install Java. So we have a link here, we're gonna open it. So now over here, accept and Mac OS 64 download. So it's downloading. It's going to take few minute time. So hold your breath for few seconds or few minutes. Guys, already download here. Just double click. And double click the package. Keep clicking continue install and put your computer password if you need one. Install done. Move to trash. Open your terminal. Just provide Java minus version. You will see whatever version we download is available now. So now we're gonna set our Java home profile, but we need to know why is the Java exists. So you can find a Java details about why actually Java exists with this command. You can write down user livx Java home -b, and you'll be see Java is available here. So now we're gonna follow the document where actually how we're gonna set up our. If you come in a document, so say how to open a terminal and say vi.bash. So I'm going to copy it, vi.bash. So now if you the bash profile, if you want to insert something, so you have to use the command I. So when you say I is insert, so you can insert here. So what is the second command? He said export Java home equal and your path here. So where is my path actually? So export Java home. I'm gonna quiet because I need my path. So for press the escape button and then say WQ and explanation. First for the escape button and then says W. Okay, button. Okay, I got it. WQ and explanation. So now I need my Java path. So I'm gonna copy this one, and then again I'm gonna edit my bash profile, which is the incomplete one. So this is my Java path for the document. So so now Java path here already provided, and the save and quiet skip button and keyboard right command QSQ. So it will be it will be save it. So if I go here and I say escape, and then I say this, first need escape button. So now you have to say clone, then WQ explanation, then it will be saved. So now again, if you open the bash profile, and it will be there. Again, if you want to close it, you have to do ESC button and clone and WQ and explanation. So now it's done. So if what is the next provide here? So close terminal and verify Java home setup. So you need this one, Java home, to see the verify. I'm gonna close terminal. I'm gonna close terminal. So guys, there is a little mistake I did, I believe. So if you go my document over here, export Java home Livix, this is the profile we have to provide it. So if you go to the echo Java home, or sorry, Vim, how to I think VI also work, also Vim, use the vim.bash profile is better. So I'm going to rewrite my document. It's a vim.profile, and you will be see my Java port. I put the export Java home, which is in my document is here. So you can use the VI or Vim. So I can say here as Vim, and document will be here Vim bash profile, bash profile dot bash profile. So if you say Vim dot bash profile. Okay, so now guys, I put the export and Java home $, and this is the path. So they will pick up from here whatever Java version will be there. So how to, you do this escape colon WQ and explanation will be saved. So when you save it, please close your terminal and right click your terminal and say quit, because you need to close properly first, and then you can return this. So now you can open again. I need to see my Java home path is set up or no. If you say echo Java, which you already have, echo $ Java home, and my Java home path, which is basically returning my Java path. So in bash my profile, we already set up how to install Java and how to set up a Java home in our bash profile. So please follow step by step. If you have any question, and I will put in the document, I put in the comment details about it, so you guys can follow this from here. And feel free to subscribe my Future IT Vision channel, and you will find out details code in GitHub in future too. So thank you so much for today. Next video will be about regarding how to set how to install little version of Maven and Maven home. So keep tuning Future IT Vision, and see you soon guys. And that's it for today.